If you're looking to tone and tighten your lower abs and legs, this session is for you. Join me as we enhance your core stability, increase flexibility, and boost circulation, all while entirely seated in a chair. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, moving your spine like a wave, stretching your spinal muscles along your back, your chest and front of shoulders as you open, and the back of your neck and upper back as you round. Adding on, inhale, lift through your heart, drawing your elbows in towards your sides. Exhale, round your spine, reaching your arms forward with the backs of your hands facing each other. Continue coordinating this movement with your breath, feeling a gentle stretch through your arms, neck, shoulders, chest, spine, and abdomen. Release and return to center. Sitting tall, place your left hand behind your head with your elbow wide. Begin to alternate, reaching your right arm open to the right and sweep across your body as you lift through your left leg. Continue moving at your own pace. With each inhale, open your right arm to the right, lengthening your spine. And with each exhale, sweep your right arm across your body, lifting through your left leg, strengthening and toning through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps while activating your obliques. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Place your right hand to lightly rest behind your head with your elbow wide. Begin to alternate, reaching your left arm open to the left and sweeping across your body while lifting through your right leg. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, open your left arm to the left, and with each exhale, sweep across your body, lifting through your right leg, squeezing and contracting through your right leg and core. Release and return to center, moving into a knee tuck variation. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Pausing with your legs straight and strong. Begin to alternate, lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. If you enjoyed this video, pop on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can sign up for a free chair yoga starter guide, plus 3 full-length videos for you to enjoy anywhere, anytime. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.